It will be a 2-day of total impact. January 20th and January 21st, 2024 at the Mountain of Fire and Miracles Ministries USA headquarters, 10,000 Cleckley Drive, Houston, Texas 77075, as the marathon prayers and deliverance sessions to move you speedily to the next level touchdown with the theme Divine Acceleration. Dr. D.K Olukoya, the General Overseer, Mountain of Fire and Miracles Ministries, will be ministering live Saturday 20th January 5 p.m. Sunday 21st of January 8 a.m. Come to this meeting to divinely program your year 2024. Get connected to the prayer quake that will break every yoke. Connect your year into the socket of divine acceleration. Pull down past strongholds that have troubled you. The marathon prayers and deliverance sessions to move you speedily to the next level. Divine acceleration. Come to this meeting each day with a mantle and a prayer request. Jesus is waiting for you. Mountain of Fire and Miracles Ministries. Surely the Lord is here.